perfect ice needs just a tiny bit more water. A little too much, maybe? Sweetie, remember what I said about thin layers?
Uh-oh. That sounded like trouble.
Oh, Mommy, I think I heard a snap.
Ice break! Get ready for the next shot!
Hold on, sweetie. We're gonna be okay. Ouch first. Protect the gimbal.
Hold tight. We're starting the pump. Gotta get this engine revving up.
I'll get the towels ready!
See, sweetie? Teamwork fixes everything. Oh, thank you, Lost Dog. That was scary cold.
Patience and thin layers. We start again.
That's how you make it strong, sweetie.
A comeback! Epic content!
Gotta keep the heart beating.
We're almost there, team. Steady now. Thin layers. I understand now.
Patience is the secret ingredient.
All right, she's sealed, good as new.
It's mirror smooth. It's magic. Good job, everyone. Time for a well-earned skate. A smoothie break? The crack is gone. It's just crystal.
This is harder than fixing a thresher.
Look how fast I can go, Mommy!
Post-production magic. New viral hit. It's beautiful, isn't it? Better than before.
Smoothie time is approaching!
The strawberry smoothie of champions!
Wouldn't want this masterpiece to spill.
The reward for a morning of hard work.
A taste of a lesson well learned.
Best ice ever. Thanks, Mom. Go on, sweetie. Show us what you learned.
Pure artistry, the grand finale.
Even a flaw can become a feature.
She's learning to trust the process. I'll make the ice better next time.
What a happy ending!
Now, I gotta fix that tractor engine.
A good day's work for all.
Lesson learned! I'm so proud of you, sweetie.
Golden hour. Time for the final shoot.
Rink's done, farm work's not.
See you all tomorrow.
What a day!
Lessons learned always shine the brightest.
Engine's running smooth, thanks to you.
Time to tuck in. Sweet dreams, sweetie. May tomorrow be even better. Harvest time in the morning. Epic views. Home, sweet home.
Good work deserves a good rest.
Rest now, mechanic.
Running on the ice. Thin layers.
Faster! The perfect shot!
Layer by layer, we build hope. Fixing the stars is just like fixing a pump.
Always share your kindness.
I can do it! I learned! Mommy, is the ice still there?
It's still there, stronger than ever.
Run! Run! Morning action shot.
Wow, it's really beautiful.
The memory of the mistake is now the strength.
I'll never forget the lesson.
Look at that patch job. Solid.
No headlamps needed today.
Time to hydrate the new growth.
thin layers for everything, right?
New day, new vlog. Farm life morning grind.
Let's go, team! Big day ahead.
Harvest. Faster than ice skating.
Dust means work is getting done.
Guard the perimeter.
Leave no berry behind. He's a berry hero! Thank you, friend. Small efforts yield great rewards. Time for a little sorting and quality control. Only the finest for the Farm Vlog audience.
Everything needs a good checkup. We must adapt to grow.
Look, Mummy. A thin layer of water.
That's it, sweetie. That's the lesson. Gentle layers for the ground, too. Every job is important.
Steady effort wins the race.
Look how straight the line is! Going live now! The perfect farm sequence! Whew! A gift for the wise one. Thank you, friend. A beautiful thin layer of kindness. This is what a good day looks like.
The best memory of the day.
Clear skies ahead.
Time for a cleanup and a rest.
Mud means we worked hard. A great day for a director's hat.
Always take care of your tools, even your shell.
Time for a nap.
Never leave a job half done.
Content is secured. Time for a berry treat.
Best smoothie after the best lesson. It was an adventure, sweetie.
And every adventure teaches us something new.
As long as we work together.
Stay off the perfect ice, little pine cone.
This is our happy place. And that's a wrap on a perfect day.
The crack made the crystal.
Every break is a chance for a knee strength. It will always be our reminder.
Thin layers.